Let me ask you something. When did you last post on social media for your business? If it keeps sliding to the bottom of your to-do list, that doesn't mean you're lazy. You're busy running an actual business. But here's the thing. You can get a full week of posts done in about an hour using free AI tools. You don't need to hire anyone or become a content creator. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. The reason most small business owners struggle with social media isn't effort, it's time. Writing posts, coming up with ideas, making graphics, remembering to post, it adds up fast. The goal isn't to make you love social media. It's just to get it off your plate as quickly as possible. Before you touch any AI tool, spend 10 minutes with a notepad. Write down 3 things. What you're promoting this week, one real thing that happened in your business recently, and which platforms you're posting to. That context is everything. It's what makes your content sound like you instead of a robot. Now open ChatGPT or Claude, both free at the basic level, and paste in a prompt. Describe your business in 1 sentence. Mention what you're promoting, add that real detail, and ask it to generate 7 post ideas, 1 for each day. Specify your platforms and whether you want the tone casual, friendly, or professional. Within 30 seconds, you'll have a rough content calendar. The first output is usually about 70% usable with minor edits. Here's an honest limitation. AI doesn't know your customers the way you do. It'll sometimes suggest ideas that feel too polished or corporate. Trust your instincts and cut those. You know your regulars better than any algorithm. Once you have your 7 ideas, ask the AI to write each post. Keep it simple. Paste the idea, specify the platform and word limit, give it a tone. Budget 3 to 4 minutes per post including edits. That's roughly 25 minutes for the full week. Before you finalize, add 1 specific, real detail. If the AI wrote, "Our team works hard every day," replace it with, "Our team of 3 has been at it since 6 in the morning this week." That specificity makes posts feel human. For visuals, use Canva's free plan. Build 1 branded template with your colors, logo, and font. Takes 20 minutes. Then each graphic takes 2 to 3 minutes. Real photos from your phone almost always outperform AI-generated images. For scheduling, use Meta Business Suite, free for Facebook and Instagram, or Buffer's free plan. Schedule everything in advance. This takes about 10 minutes. Add it up. 10 minutes planning, 30 seconds generating ideas, 25 minutes writing posts, 20 minutes on visuals, 10 minutes scheduling. You're around an hour, faster after the first time. Will this replace every form of marketing? No. But if social media has been sitting on your to-do list for months, this system solves that problem. 1 hour, 1 time per week, and it's done.